Hi guys, welcome to Jugolprasad. Aegel marmelos or Bengal queens is a very sacred plant. Without its trifoliate leaves, Shiva's puja is incomplete. This plant is also called Shri plant as it is considered that goddess Lakshmi resides here. And all the parts of this plant are medicinally important. In Bengali, we call it Bael, and in Sanskrit, Bilva. You know, right? Bilva Patra. It is required to worship Shiva. It is also known as wood apple or stone apple because it has a very hard epicarp. The outer covering, that shell is very hard. After cracking, you will get a very beautiful orange, mucilaginous, aromatic pulp. That pulp also contains lots of hairy seeds which are covered with slimy mucilage. This type of fruit in biology in botany known as Amphisaraca, and it means a berry with a woody epicarp and pulpy mesocarp and endocarp with mucilaginous seeds. That pulp can be used to make sharbat, toffee, murabba, but to get full medicinal benefits, the best way of consuming it as raw form or just add some water and drink it. It contains lots of minerals like phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, vitamin C, vitamin A, protein, fibers, carbohydrate, and also some amount of fat. That drink increases metabolism, increases our digestion power, and decreases acidity and also alleviates constipation and also cures many neurological disorders. It also has anti-diabetic property and reduces the chance of colon cancer. The unripe fruit is also consumed to treat acidity, dysentery, diarrhea, asthma, and other respiratory disorders. That a fruit takes lots of time, almost 1 year, to ripen on the tree, and this plant belongs to lemon family, Rutaceae. So, thank you guys. Next day, I will come with a new plant story. So, if you like my videos, then please subscribe, like, share, and obviously, please comment down below.